our channel. We're so glad to have you join us again. In this video, we will unlock the power of Annatto or Atsuete. Atsuete or Annatto is an orange-red condiment and food coloring derived from the seeds of the Atsuete tree, or Pexel orellana, native to tropical parts of the Americas. It is often used to impart a yellow to red-orange color to foods, but sometimes also for its flavor and aroma. Its scent is described as slightly peppery with a hint of nutmeg, and flavor as slightly nutty, sweet, and peppery. The Annatto tree is believed to originate in tropical regions from Mexico to Brazil. It was probably not initially used as a food additive, but for other purposes such as ritual and decorative body painting, still an important tradition in many Brazilian native tribes, such as the wari, sunscreen, and insect repellent, and for medical purposes. It was used for Mexican manuscript painting in the 16th century. Men of the Atsuete tribe in Ecuador are highly recognizable thanks to their traditional bright orange hair, which is achieved by using crushed seeds of Annatto. It is believed they have been doing so for centuries. This tree's common names are Annatto, lipstick plant, English, Yen Jishu, Chinese, Roku, Adol, French, Anatasaman, German, Latwa, Hindi, Atsuete, Pumacula, Spanish, Camgo, Cam Thai, Thai, Atsuete, Tagalog. Atsuete or Annatto is commercially used as food coloring and may be found as the yellow coloring for butter, margarine, chorizo, cheese, smoked fish, and other food products. Atsuete may be bought in different forms such as seeds, grounded powder, as a paste, or infused in cooking oil or lard. These are usually available in spice aisle of bigger grocery stores or ethnic spice stores. Atsuete are packed in bottles, vacuum-sealed bricks, bags, and in tin cans. Atsuete leaves, shoots and bark can only be acquired from the tree and it is rarely available elsewhere. When buying Atsuete seeds, look for the bright red or orange-red ones since these are newer and fresher. Avoid buying the dull and brown seeds, these are signs of age and may already lost its potency. Ground or powdered Atsuete is often mixed with other herbs, spices, and even cornstarch. Shelf life in airtight container reach up to 3 years. While those mixed with oil may be used within 3 months when properly refrigerated. Atsuete leaves, shoots and bark are usually boiled in water. It may also be pounded and mixed with other natural oils and herbs. Atsuete seeds, powder, concoction and infusion may be taken orally depending on preparation, such as in food preparation and medicines, or may also be applied topically or externally. Now, let's talk about the uses of Atsuete, or Annatto, in ancient history. The uses of leaves. Concoction of leaves are used to wash burn wounds to promote healing. The infusion of leaves are used as purgative in dysentery. Boiled leaves, or the shoots, are applied to the head and body to treat fever. Boiled leaves, the young shoots, are used as gargle for sore throat. Pounded leaves mixed with coconut oil are applied to the forehead for headaches. Poultice of leaves are used to treat gonorrhea. Atsuete leaves are used to treat snake bites. Extracts from Atsuete leaves, roots and barks are used as antidote for cassava poisoning, the jatropha poisoning and allergy from sandbox tree. Decoction of leaves are used to treat nausea and vomiting. Boiled leaves are used to treat gastric and stomach ailments. The uses of pulp. Atsuete pulp is used to prevent scars due to blisters. It is also used to stop bleeding. The pulverized pulp is used to treat fever. Atsuete pulp is also used to treat constipation, dysentery, and gonorrhea. The use of Atsuete flowers. Infusions of flowers are used as an expectorant for young children. The uses of seeds. The seeds that were grounded and boiled were also used for burns. Fresh seeds when moistened produce a reddish-colored juice that is applied to red rashes. The seeds are also used as antidote for cassava and Jatropha curcas poisoning. Fine powder that covers the seeds is used as hemostatic and internally as stomachic. Seed oil is used for leprosy. The Atsuete dye used with lime for the treatment of erysipelas. In Uruguay, seeds are ground and boiled and used on burns. In West Indian folk medicine, seeds are used for diabetes mellitus. In Guatemala, seeds are used for treatment of gonorrhea. And seeds are used as female aphrodisiacs in the Amazonia. The uses of bark and branches. Decoction of bark is used for febrile catarrh. Also, it is used for wound healing, regulation of heavy period, and thinning hair. Mucilage produced from the infusion of fresh branches is used as an emollient in the Antilles. In traditional Peruvian medicine, the bark is used to treat heartburn and stomach distress caused by spicy foods. Also, it is used as a vaginal antiseptic and cicatrizant. Now, let's dive into the modern health benefits of Annatto or Atsuete. Anti-inflammatory. Annatto or Atsuete has been traditionally used in Central and South America to treat a number of ailments, including internal inflammation. This medicinal use has been supported by a laboratory study done in the Department of Biomedical Sciences, Faculty of Medicine and Health Sciences, University Putra, Malaysia, where the anti-inflammatory activity of the aqueous extract of Atsuete was tested in a chemically induced inflammation in rats. The study concluded that the aqueous extract of Atsuete inhibited the histamine-induced paw edema as compared to a control group. These results confirmed the validity of the use of Atsuete extract in the treatment of inflammatory disorders. Anti-gonorrheal. In a study published in the Journal of Ethnopharmacology of October 1995, the Faculty of Chemical Sciences and Pharmacy in Guatemala found that the bark of Pexel orellana, Atsuete, or Annatto, has the ability to inhibit the development of 5 strains of Neisseria gonorrhea through the process of standard bacteriological procedures. This study supports the traditional herbal use of Atsuete in the treatment of gonorrhea, a sexually transmitted disease, enhances antioxidant status, and regulate gene expression. The antioxidant activity of Atsuete extract was investigated in Universidade Federal de Ouro Preto, Brazil. The study showed that the treatment of Atsuete extract in beta-carotene has decreased the reactive oxidative species production and the mRNA levels of P22-FOX and P47-FOX, while it increased the mRNA levels of SOD and CAT in neutrophils from diabetic rats. These data suggest that Atsuete extract in beta-carotene exerts antioxidant effects via inhibition of expression of the NADPH oxidase subunits and increase expression or activity of antioxidant enzymes. Hypoglycemic. West Indian folklore uses Pexel orellana, Atsuete, in the treatment of diabetes mellitus. Preliminary studies have shown that a crude annatto seed extract exhibited either glucose-lowering or hyperglycemia-inducing activity depending on how it was further manipulated. A study done in the Department of Basic Medical Sciences, University of West Indies, Jamaica, investigated this further and has found that Atsuete extract can indeed decrease blood glucose levels in fasting normoglycemic and streptozotocin-induced diabetic dogs. Likewise, Atsuete seed extract suppressed the postprandial rise in blood glucose after an oral glucose load. Moreover, the Atsuete extract also caused an increase in insulin-to-glucose ratio in normal dogs. It was concluded that Bixa orellana, Atsuete, lowered blood glucose by stimulating peripheral utilization of glucose. This data confirmed that Atsuete extract has glucose-lowering activity and might be of pharmacological importance. Anti-cancer. Norbixin, a pigment of Bixa orellana, Atsuete, was believed to possess antioxidant potential being a carotenoid. This property has been examined in the Instituto de Biologia Roberto Alcântara Gomes, Universidade do Estado do Rio de Janeiro, and has identified that norbixin is an unusual dicarboxylic water-soluble carotenoid present as a component in the pericarp of the seeds of Bixa orellana. Norbixin on the response of Escherichia coli cells to DNA damage induced by UV radiation, hydrogen peroxide, H2O2, and superoxide anions has protective activity against these agents. It was also found that norbixin has anti-mutagenic properties, with a maximum inhibition of H2O2-induced mutagenic activity of 87%, based on the Salmonella mutagenicity test. These results suggest that Atsuete pigment, norbixin, has effectively quenched free radicals and may be of valuable pharmacological application against cancer. Cautions and warnings. Atsuete is considered safe when consumed in fruit amounts. Atsuete may cause allergic reactions for highly sensitive people, while there are rare cases where anaphylaxis has been reported. Special precautions and warnings. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Not enough is known about the use of Atsuete as medicine during pregnancy and breastfeeding. Avoid the use of Atsuete and stay on the safe side. Surgery. Do not use Atsuete medicines at least 2 weeks before a scheduled surgery. It has been known to affect blood sugar levels. Diabetes. If under diabetes medication, Atsuete may further lower blood sugar level. Monitor your blood sugar level always and consult your doctor for diabetes medication needs adjustment. We hope you liked this video. If you do, please like and subscribe for more updates and videos like this. We appreciate your support. Thank you for watching. Thank you to all our amazing subscribers for your unwavering support. Your dedication means the world to us. Let's continue this incredible journey together and reach even greater heights. Your support fuels our passion to create more exciting content for you